I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right black thread and preparing it so stitches lay flat. Choose polyester for stretch and fade resistance versus straight cotton for natural fibers. Once chosen, cut a 12 to 18-inch tail and thread by hand or machine, making sure the tail is smooth. If fraying occurs, run the thread briefly over beeswax or a threader. This reduces breakage and ensures consistent tension when you begin sewing. You now stitch with intention. Set machine tension and test on a scrap piece of the actual fabric so the black thread blends and stitches sit correctly. Once done, use 2 to 3 mm stitches for regular seams and increase length for basting or decorative top stitching. Make sure to backstitch or lock the seam at both ends to secure the thread. Otherwise, the black thread can unravel visibly. If hand sewing, use small, consistent stitches and knot neatly. You finish by trimming tails close and pressing seams with the correct iron setting so the black thread flattens and reflects light uniformly. Once pressed, inspect for puckers or skipped stitches. If problems persist, loosen tension, try a finer needle, or add a lightweight stabilizer. If a thread breaks, tie a small knot on the interior, overlap the new thread by about 1/2 inch, and restitch to secure. This gives a near-invisible repair and preserves the seam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.